Prepare Printhead cleaning solution and cotton swab. Move the carriage away. Use the cotton swab dipped in cleaning solution. Wipe the ink off the wiper. And wipe the ink off the cap top. Return the carriage to its original position. Prepare Printhead moisturizing solution and straw. Move the carriage away. Use a straw to pump in the Printhead moisturizing solution. Drop into the cap top. Return the carriage to its original position. Close the valve to prevent ink leakage. But not to close the white ink valve.